Hey, what's happening, my friends? Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and today we're going through Module 2 of Affiliate slash Online Marketing for Beginners, Finding Your Perfect Niche. And if you'd like to see more information or get this course for free, visit our website at freedomlifebusiness.com. That's freedomlifebusiness.com. So let's dive right into it, shall we? So, in Module 2, we're going to cover finding your perfect niche. So, delving into interests, passion, and expertise. Interests are what are the subjects or activities that naturally attract you? These are the areas where you might already have some knowledge and curiosity. So, something that you like, something that you enjoy, you talk about it. Passion, beyond just interest, what are the things you're genuinely passionate about? These are the things that you can talk about for hours and not get tired. Expertise, what are the areas where you have deep knowledge, education, or experience? This doesn't necessarily have to be a formal education, it could be something you've pursued as a hobby or a side gig. All right? So, number two, market demand, identifying and analyzing. Research. Utilize tools like Google Trends, keyword research tools, and marketplaces to gauge the demand for a particular niche. Audience needs. Understand the pain points and desire of your potential audience. Engage in forums, social media groups, and survey tools to directly listen to what the audience wants. All right, three, evaluating competition, tools and strategies. The tools are utilize the tools like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, or do your own research via YouTube, Google search, etc. to research your competition. You have to see what they are doing. Strategies. Look at their content, products, and services. Identify gaps in the market they aren't serving and see where you can bring a unique perspective or solution. Four, monetization, potential, and product selection. Affiliate marketing. Identify products in your niche that you could promote for a commission. Products and services. Think about products, digital or physical, or services you can offer based on your own expertise and the needs for your audience. Ads and sponsorship. Determine if your niche has the potential for ads or sponsorships once you've built an audience. All right? So, moving on. Five, trend analysis for long term viability. Tools. Again, tools like Google Trends can help you identify if a niche is growing, stable, or declining. Future projections. Think about the future prospects of your niche. It is a temporary trend or does it have long term potential? You have to figure that out. Number six, crafting a personal connection narrative. Storytelling. Share your personal journey within your niche. This helps in building a deeper connection with your audience and establishing authenticity. You have to be authentic. You have to be open. You have to be transparent. Engagement. Engage with your audience on a personal level. Respond to their comments, emails, or messages and show them that you care and, most importantly, that you are authentic. All right? See, to succeed in a niche, it is very essential that you have a blend of personal passion, market demand, and a unique value. This module covers the bases well, ensuring that someone doesn't just pick up a niche because they like it, but also because there's a genuine market opportunity. All right? So, If you want to get all my 8 modules on affiliate marketing for beginner or online marketing for beginners for absolutely free, go to freedomlifebusiness.com or go to the link below in the description and click on the link. I will see you in Module 3.